Hi everyone. In this video, we will be looking at the concept V-shaped recovery. So this is something that was recently witnessed in our own economy, and it was also mentioned in our recently concluded budget and also in the economic survey. So we will see what this particular concept is all about, where we can see a V-shaped recovery and what are the factors leading to something called V-shaped recovery in an economy. So we'll move on to that. So by definition, a V-shaped recovery is witnessed when an economy suffers a sharp economic decline followed by a strong recovery. So whenever a sudden fall in economic growth and when that is followed by a sudden recovery, then we can say that there is a V-shaped recovery. So when we plot the trend of economic growth in a graph, then we can see a V-shape there. And that V-shape happens when a sudden crisis happens and the economy is recovering from that particular crisis. So sudden fall in economic growth and a sudden recovery is followed by that. So a V-shape is created in the economy when we plot the economic growth or GDP of a economy. So that is V-shaped recovery is all about. Now, the Economic Survey 2021 has indicated that the Indian economy is cruising towards a much quicker growth recovery after the once in a century COVID-19 crisis. So it was mentioned in the economic survey that our country is recovering faster from the crisis that we have faced due to the COVID pandemic situation. So we had an economic crisis last year, and from that crisis our economy is recovering at a much better pace. So the economic survey has forecasted a V-shaped economic recovery for the country after the pandemic ravaged all key sectors of growth and disrupted demand. So RBI in its State of the Economy Report 2020 has also stated that the shape of the economic recovery in the financial year 2021-22 will be V-shaped. So we know that the economy was going through a crisis period last year because of the pandemic, and but the positive news is that economy is recovering at a quicker pace from that crisis situation, which is leading to a V-shaped recovery. So even though crisis was there, economy is moving better, is moving faster and recovering quicker from the crisis situation. And this was mentioned in the economic survey, in the State of the Economy report of the RBI, and it was also mentioned in our 2021-22 budget. Now we will look at the some of the key factors that helped for such kind of a V-shaped recovery in our economy. So the COVID recovery rate in India has improved to 96.1% after the first wave, and that was second highest in the world. So we have a sudden sudden recovery from the COVID pandemic situation, and the recovery rate of our economy was 96.1%. So 96.1% of recovery was there from the COVID crisis situation or COVID pandemic. Then the mortality rate in India is 1.4% lower than the world death rate of 2.2%. Even though we had a crisis situation, we were hit very badly by the pandemic, the COVID pandemic, our mortality rate was much lesser. So the mortality rate in India was 1.5%, while when we take the entire world, that was 2.2%. So comparatively, comparing to the entire world, which was 2.2%, our India's mortality rate because of COVID was just 1.4%, which was much lesser than the other countries. So we have a better recovery from COVID situation, and we also had a lesser mortality rate. Now, the third point, the initiation of a mega vaccination drive with hopes of a robust recovery in the services sector and prospects for robust growth in consumption and investment. So we had a mega vaccination drive in the country. We have a successful vaccination campaign in the country, so that a lot of people were able to be vaccinated. So vaccination drive created another boost for the economy to recover from the crisis situation. The next point is that merchandise imports finally emerged out of contraction over 9 consecutive months and grew by 7.6% year on year in December 2020. So our merchandise import also became better after the crisis situation. Then the bank credit demand has increased at a pace above 6%, reversing a 5-month stretch of sub 6% growth. So we were witnessing a fall in demand for the bank credits during the COVID time, especially last year. But once the first wave of the coronavirus was over, we were witnessing an increase in the demand for bank credit, and bank credit was at a pace above 6%, which was good for the economy, and which led to more and more investment activities taking place in the economy, leading to more consumption and employment opportunities in the economy. Then the next point, the resurgence in the high frequency indicators such as power demand, rail freight, e-way bills, goods and service taxes collection, steel consumption, etc. So there was an improvement in GST collection, the transportation, especially the rail movement, then also in the overall consumption of commodities in the economy, and which was also there. We have to also mention that the steel consumption also increased during this time along with overall consumption. And also another important point is Atmanirbhar Bharat Abhiyan. We know that the government has recently announced Atmanirbhar Bharat mission to create self-sufficiency in the economy, and pumped in money into various sectors of the economy to maintain that self-sufficiency. So that also helped. Atmanirbhar Bharat Abhiyan also helped for such a quicker recovery from the crisis situation that we have witnessed recently because of coronavirus pandemic. So this is the graphical representation of our GDP growth, and here you can see a V-shaped recovery in the year 2020. So GDP growth, which was kind of a stable throughout the years, suddenly declined by the end of 2019, and we know that the reason is COVID-19 pandemic. So by the end of 2019, our GDP growth started declining, and the decline was sudden. So there was a sudden fall in overall GDP growth. So we have to mention that there was a negative growth because of the COVID situation. So a sudden fall in GDP growth, and it went to a negative situation. From there, by the end of 2020, the economy started to recover, and that recovery was at a very higher pace, or a quicker pace. So a quick recovery from the crisis situation was witnessed in our economy, and that can be seen in this particular graph. So GDP growth was kind of a stable, sudden fall, then there is a sudden recovery from the crisis situation. You can see a V shape here, and this same thing can be witnessed in the case of IIP, that is Index of Industrial Production. Our major industrial sectors like mining, manufacturing, electricity also witnessed a sudden fall in production, a sudden fall in growth was seen. But once the COVID situation is surpassed, by the end of May 2020, or by the end of May 2020, a sudden recovery is also witnessed there, and we can also see a V-shaped recovery in the case of Index of Industrial Production. So all sort of industrial production, mining activities, manufacturing activities, and electricity also increased. A growth was witnessed by May 2020 after the lockdown period. So inflation, when we comes to inflation also, we can see that inflation also declined by the end of December 2020. So there was a V-shaped recovery in GDP growth. There was also a V-shaped recovery in the industrial sector, especially in mining, manufacturing, and electricity sector or industries. So this is all about the V-shaped recovery that we have witnessed recently in our economy. As I have said earlier, this is not a often kind of a situation. This is a kind of a rare situation which happens when there is a sudden fall in economic growth, and then there is a sudden recovery from that crisis situation. So we have recently witnessed this thing, and it was mentioned in our economic survey, in our budget, also the report given by RBI. So I hope all of you have understood about the V-shaped recovery that we have seen in our economy. Thank you.